My name is Gary Swartzentruber. I'm a family medicine physician here at Colquitt Regional Medical Center. I've been here since August of 2011, and I practice medicine at the Kirk Clinic. I grew up in central Pennsylvania, and I went to medical school at American University of the Caribbean in St. Martin and finished up my last 2 years of medical school in Brooklyn, New York. My wife and I knew we wanted to come south for my residency program, but we were thinking south like Virginia. But I did my residency training at Phoebe Putney in Albany, Georgia, and Colquitt Regional approached me about working at the Kirk Clinic, where I met my partners, and we love Moultrie, we love Colquitt Regional. We think that it is a very special place, and have been here 5.5 years now. Why family medicine? It's the relationships. It's the seeing a kid grow up, or seeing a patient who comes into your office who's, depressed, that you're able to help, and you see them come back, and that's why family medicine for me. I think the thing that motivates me the most and keeps me driven is seeing patients come back and seeing their lives changed. Seeing progress is what makes me get up every morning and come back and do what I do. Well, in family medicine, what we do is really, we care for anybody from the cradle to the grave. We'll see newborns in the nursery here at Colquitt Regional Medical Center right after they're born. We'll see them in follow-up in our office. We do their well-child checks through, the adolescent years, and then as they become young adults and adults, and then into their middle ages and as elderly people. What I love most about my job is seeing the change that you can bring in people's life. I love seeing a newborn in the nursery and watching them grow up over the course of their childhood. And so those are the kind of things to me that make my job worth getting up to do. I think what makes Colquitt Regional unique is the relationship that's had between the medical staff and between administration and the medical staff. We have a good appreciation for our administration, and we feel respected and appreciated by them as well. And obviously we're human, there's going to be differences, but when there is a difference, we'll sit down and talk it out, and typically still leave the table as friends with respect to each other.